Are you looking for a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom house in Onondaga Central Schools? This might be the house for you. I love that the wall was taken down in this room so that the kitchen and dining room are one big open space. And you also have the super cool breakfast bar. For a cape, this house has amazing closets. Wait until you see it. Hello? Phone doesn't work. This backyard is adorable, super private and large enough for all the activities. I can't wait to invite all my friends over.